Next, let me show you some really cool tricks in Messages, and the first one is Messages effect. So in Messages, after you type a message, you'll notice this new icon on the top right of the keyboard. Select this, and you'll now get a bunch of options to help you add a little more expression to your writings. Simple things like making text bolder, italicize, underline, or striking through text, and even animations to make text big, small, shake, nod, explode, ripple, bloom, and jitter. What's really cool is you can highlight certain parts of your message to only have that part of the message formatted, so you can write out a message that plays through a lot of effects and emphasizes certain words. Another cool trick in Messages is you can now react to messages with emoji. To do this, just long press on the message you'll want to react to, and you'll see the usual reactions like heart and thumbs up, but if you slide over, you see emoji reactions. You can quickly select those that you used recently, or you can tap on the emoji icon to open the entire list of emojis to use. Another great trick in iOS 18 Messages is the ability to schedule messages, and this is a feature that isn't really apparent because it's hidden under a menu. So to do this, just click the plus button on the left, and in your menu, you should see an option for send later. Just tap that, and now you'll see a blue highlighted time on the top of your message. Tap that to edit the time and the date of when you want to send your message. Then when you send your message, you'll see it has a dotted outline and the date on when the message will send. If you want to delete this message or change the time when it sends, just tap Edit, RCS Messages, and this is so much better. To do this, just go to Settings, select Apps, and then scroll down to Messages, and select that, then scroll down until you get to the text messaging section, and then select RCS Messaging. It even has its own menu, that's how important it is, and just make sure this toggle is on and set to green. And now your group messages or personal messages with your Android friends will be almost as good as iMessage. I really hope this video helped you out. I hope you found some cool features that you want to share with your friends and family. Please like this video, and hey, make sure you're subscribed for that, and hey, thank you again for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.